Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about URL shortening and link rewriter. So what is a URL shortening? So for example, whenever we talk about any pages inside our content repository, so for example, our site is content, our site, USEN, and then maybe tester.html. So on actual production site, we don't want to put that kind of URL. So what we want is a user-friendly URL so that people can easily remember it. So this is because of readability as well as for security, because we don't want to expose actual path of our content repository to end site. So what we want is we want to short the URL. Sometimes we just want to remove content, our site name, and then USEN, or maybe even from our dem repository assets. We just don't want to put the exact path, absolute path, but we want to remove part of that URL from the path when we have on actual website. So there are multiple ways we can achieve it in AEM. So for example, we can create vanity URL within our properties, page properties. We can create vanity URLs. Sling also provides us this Apache Sling resource resolver configuration, factory configuration, where you can define URL mapping, like what will be the source path, what will be the target path, etc. For internal pages references also, we can write our own custom link transformer that I'm going to tell. And on top of that, on web server itself, we can rewrite rules. So for example, if anyone is just typing mywebsite.com, then it should redirect to maybe content or my website, USEN, myhome.html. So we can rewrite rules as well. Dispatcher as well as custom link transformer, I'm going to continue this video, but I'm going to just describe what is vanity URL and then how can we use Apache Sling resource resolver factory in this video. So let's move on. So very first thing is, if you see this page, this is my out of the box VRetail website, in which I'm having this path content VRetail USEN woman.html. Now what I want is, instead of typing the full URL, I just want to access using this URL. Okay, so one thing is, or maybe this is one URL, or maybe I just want to access it with mypage.html. Okay, so how can I achieve it? So first thing is, let's talk about the vanity URLs. So what we can do, I'll just add this page, and then I will go to page properties, and the very first tab itself we have vanity URLs. So for example, I just created a vanity URL for this. I'll create another vanity URL, my page, and just click on save. Now if I'll try to access this, and it's working fine. So that's like vanity URL. How can we achieve it? Now there is something called Sling resource resolver configuration factory. So what we have to do, we have to go to our system console, and let's go to configurations. And now let's search for Apache Sling resource resolver factory. Just open it. And here we will see this URL mapping properties. What we have to do, what URL, this is our source path, and after colon this is our target path. So for example, I just want to remove content VRetail USEN from, I just want to remove it so that I can just put women.html, men.html, or mypage.html. So this is my target path. This is exactly similar to whatever we have in Java replace all. So what we are doing, we are replacing this whole string with nothing. Okay, so that it can understand. Now even this description says, previously they used to use this hyphen instead, but now it's deprecated. we have other options as well. So for example, for we can use this for incoming request, and we can use this for outgoing request. That is also fine. If we want this configuration for both input as well as output, just use colon. So this hyphen is deprecated, so don't use this. And we can put as many URL mappings possible, because this is a multi-field kind of configuration. So that's it we have to do, and we have to save it. We have to wait at least for 15 to 20 minutes, because all the bundles will be activated after this configuration changes. So if you face that issue like page 404 is coming, or maybe AEM is not accessible, just don't worry, just have patience and wait for some time. It will be up very soon. Okay, unless we have some other issue, otherwise it should be good. So once this is done, as in I have already done it, and my AEM is already running on this configuration now. So if I try to access this, I will be able to access it. Let me even open another page. So for example, I'll try to access this products.html. I'll open it. Okay, and let me just remove everything. Content, vdetail, USEN. I will remove everything. And it is working fine. Okay. In my next video, what I'm going to cover, even we do this, and so for example, if you see this, the path which is coming here, it's content dem. Okay. Sometimes what happens, even you do this configuration, still you see the page are referencing as in the URLs, what page is referencing, whether it's a DAM path or maybe a internal page path. Still we have this content as an etc appending. So how can we remove it? Or maybe my requirement is I am going to put CDN URLs over here, or maybe if you guys are doing dynamic media, maybe I want to append dynamic media URL over here. So how can we do that? In my next video, we are going to write a custom rewriter, and we'll see how can we achieve it. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.